Hi everybody, here's Greensleeves Chords, page 24 in the Blues for Beginning Guitarists book. We're going to start with just strumming them. So we'll do one strum every time you see a chord. So it starts with A minor. Ready? Ba, 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 to G. Another G. A minor. Another one. E7, another one, A minor, da, to G, another one, A minor, E7, A minor. Third line, C, another one, to G, another one, A minor, E7, another one. Fourth line C, another one, to G, another one, A minor, E7, A minor, and with an A chord. At the end, that A minor, you just put your fourth finger on the second string, second fret. Go from A minor, put your pinky down, to a nice A major chord. So, get good at that. Then, we're going to do the chords finger style. So, index on the third string, middle on the second, ring on the first. That's home bass. The thumb will be playing the root of the chord. So A minor plays the A string, G plays the sixth string, back to A minor, the fifth string, E7 plays the E string. Okay, so let's play ba, ba. Ready? Go. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 third line C. Fourth line, ba, ba, to G, da, da, A minor, E7, A minor, and strum the A with your thumb. It's very pretty. So the last step is to do finger picking, and we'll use the pattern on page 25. Flip the book over from Greensleeves on 24 and look at the bottom line right example. That is going to do, we'll practice with no chord, thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. So plant your fingers on the strings that they're going to play. Lift them up one at a time. Thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. Let's try that again. Plant, thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index. One more time. Let's try it on the A minor chord and do one pattern for every chord. Ba, ba. line 2. Ba-bum, ba-dum, da-da, G, da-dum, A minor, E7, A minor, third line C, fifth string of the bass. Da, 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 A minor, da, E7, da, da, fourth line C, da, 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 G, da, A minor, E7, A minor, and strum the A. Okay, that's it.